This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the terrain you want to convert with your ult. Walls give knock-up, brushes grant stealth utility, and river creates floaty distance. Once done, position so the enemy is between you and that terrain. This maximizes range and effect. Initiate the fight with a simple ability or an ally's CC to lock them in place. Make sure to face toward the terrain when you cast so the ult swaps correctly and applies the desired secondary effect. Cast your ultimate during an enemy animation or immediately after they are crowd-controlled. This reduces dodges and increases hit reliability. Once cast, the directional input determines which terrain is consumed and which secondary effect triggers, so aim carefully toward that wall, brush, or river. Then chain Qiyana's Q and E around the ult. You can preload a Q for instant burst or buffer E after the ult to reposition and extend damage. After the ult lands, commit with auto attacks and remaining abilities to convert the displacement into a kill. You should pivot to the closest high damage combo depending on the terrain effect. If your ultimate whiffs, do not panic. Use W to slow and reposition or flank to create a new angle, and make sure to re-engage with teammates. Also watch for enemy flash. If they can escape, delay the ult or bait the summoner spell so you retain kill pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.